Hey, welcome back to the No Code Minute. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Today we're going to do our first part of a tutorial to create a grocery list. We're going to start the tutorial with adding the input elements that we need to get started. So we're going to add a picture uploader, a text input, and a button to start. So let's do that now. So here's the picture uploader. Add that. We're going to make it 45 by 45 width and height, and delete this text. Then we're going to do the text input, drop that on the screen, put it right next to the picture uploader, make that 10 pixels apart, type in description, and then we need the button. We're going to add this button right next to it, 10 pixels apart, type in add, and we're going to put all these elements together in a group. And we want to center it horizontally. Alright, so that's your first part of making a grocery list, part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, and remember to subscribe and like the video so we can keep making more videos.